Hey guys, it's me, the Pometnov, and today I'll show you how to build Scrap Baby from Five Nights at Freddy's 6, or some of you like to call it Freddy Fazbear's Pizzeria Simulator. This is a really great build. It has the pinching claw, which is really accurate and I like it a lot, as well as rotatable wheels right here, which you can change from balancing to rolling, which I also really like, as well as the opening faceplate feature and two little eyes right there. This is a really accurate build and I love it a lot. So let's get right into the tutorial. Anyways, now that that's complete, let's go ahead and assemble Scrap Baby. Let's go ahead and take the torso and the head. We connect it on this joint. There you go. Now, the arm with the claw goes on the right side from the back, or from the front, it would be on the left side. So just for you guys to see, this is what it would look like where the claw should be. And the other arm goes on the other side. Anyways, this leg with this white piece goes on the left side, and the other one goes on the right side, like this. And there you go, Scrap Baby from Five Nights at Freddy's 6. You know, I actually enjoyed building this a lot because this is a really accurate build, and as a matter of fact, I have built Scrap Baby before, like 2 years ago maybe, and I disassembled it because I wasn't happy with the way I built it, and also because I needed it for something else. But just like in general, really happy that I rebuilt it, and I hope that you are too. And I'd really like it if you share this video with more of your friends, because I feel like as if this is a really great video and it deserves some recognition. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Five Nights at Freddy's content. And if you really like it, then you should share with your friends. That way it could show me how much they appreciate it as well. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video.